In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize an Asana project efficiently. If you're looking to streamline your workflow, stay on top of your tasks, and make sure your project is running smoothly, then you're in the right place. Stick around because I'll reveal some pro tips that can make a huge difference in how you manage your tasks in Asana, and by the end, you'll know how to take your project organization to the next level. First things first, to get started with Asana, create a new project. From your dashboard, hit the plus new project button. You can start with a blank project or choose from templates that Asana provides. Templates are great for saving time and keeping things organized, especially if you're managing a common project type like marketing campaigns or product launches. Next, start adding tasks to your project. Tasks are where the magic happens. You can add individual to-do items that are part of the overall project. Think of them as your action items. You can break these tasks down even further with subtasks for more granular details. The third thing you'll want to do is assign tasks to the appropriate team members. This is where Asana really shines in terms of collaboration. Assigning tasks ensures everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for and by when. If you're working solo, it helps keep you organized. If you're in a team, it keeps communication crystal clear. Now, let's talk about due dates. This is crucial for keeping everything on track. As you add tasks, set due dates for each one. This helps create a timeline and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. You can use the calendar view to get an overview of when things need to be completed, which is perfect for time-sensitive projects. The fifth thing is setting priorities. Within each task, you can assign priority levels, like low, medium, or high. This helps your team focus on what matters most and ensures that critical tasks don't get overlooked. Next, let's dive into the power of sections. Sections allow you to organize your tasks into categories based on their phase or type. You could have sections like To Do, In Progress, and Completed, or more specific sections depending on your project. This makes it super easy to track where each task is in the process and keep your project moving forward. Another pro tip is to use tags. Tags help you label tasks with key themes or categories, like urgent or follow-up. These tags help with filtering tasks and getting a quick overview of what needs attention. Now that you're comfortable adding tasks and using sections, let's talk about dependencies. If your tasks are linked, meaning one task can't be done until another is finished, Asana allows you to create dependencies. This ensures that everyone understands the order in which things need to happen and prevents bottlenecks. The last thing is the Asana mobile app. Whether you're on the go or away from your desk, the Asana app keeps you connected to your projects. You can view and update tasks, communicate with your team, and stay productive wherever you are. To wrap up, if you want to take your project organization to the next level, don't forget that you can use Asana completely free. And when you click the first link in the description below, you'll unlock exclusive bonuses to help you get even more out of the software. Organizing your project in Asana has never been easier. Now it's time for you to implement these tips and start getting things done. Make sure to check out the link for that extended free trial and dive into Asana now. Thanks for watching.